Hello guys, this is Kenneth with another video. This is gonna be a market analysis video, and we're gonna be looking at GBPUSD. So let's get into it. If you look here, we are on the monthly time frame. I'm gonna show you guys these two candles here that we have. The first candle was a red candle. We got a wick down, and the second candle that came in is a bullish candle, indicating that the market might be higher. And as you can see, if you look around here, we have that resistance that price is potentially coming to. So that means that there's still more buyers that are coming into the market as a result of the rejection that we experienced around here. All right. So let's jump to the weekly chart. It becomes a bit clearer. Here is that level that we are looking, that we want to see the market come to before we actually start dropping to the downside. So overall, the trend is still bearish. As you can see, we push down, we tested, push down, we tested, push down, we tested, and then we push down. So what we are looking for is a retest and then a push back to the downside. But be that it is may, short term will be that as it may, short term will be looking for buying opportunities because the market is looking to come to this area on the weekly time frame, which means we have a few more weeks that we need to cover before we actually start looking for drops. And if we are to look at this short term, then that's when you'll have to come here. If you can see here, guys, we pushed up, came down, and then we pushed up, breaking above the previous high. And here we have some form of a resistance that the market can come to test before we push back to the upside. So let me just draw it out here. All right, so this is the resistance that we broke. We closed above, so expect price to test it before we push higher. We'll refine it if need be on the daily chart. So let's see. As you can see here, this is the resistance slash support that we have around here. So let me just do this. Not gonna be complicated or difficult, pretty much straightforward, right? So price is already bullish because we broke these highs. So we have a new structure high. We are looking for a higher low and another push to the upside. So for the coming week on GBPUSD, look for retest and then look for buys. Really that simple, guys. There's no complications on this one. It's straightforward, it's easy, and it's right there, right? So this level is a very valid level because we have multiple tests on it, and that's why we are looking for another test before a bounce to the upside. Another thing that's going to make it valid is what we'll see on the 4-hour time frame. So if you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we have this demand zone that the market has not yet tested, so it's likely that price will be looking to come back here before we bounce up. All right, so let me just draw it out. There we go. So look for price to potentially come down here, and then look for those buying opportunities to the upside in the coming week on GBPUSD. All right, so it's really straightforward, guys. It's not complicated. Okay. Anyways, if we are to continue this, let me just push it up for you guys. So that's what we look like. Yeah, right. So we are looking for tests here and then a bounce. And if price holds on this trend line as well, it's going to be quite interesting because we have about 3 touches already. So the 4th touch will be quite interesting because we know that it's going to be strong. Doesn't mean that this trend line will be acting as a support level. So we are looking for a push down and then a push up here before we start looking for drops. All right. So let's see if the market is going to give us that on GBPUSD. I'm done. Look for buys for the coming week on GBPUSD, guys. So see you on the next video.